A man kicked a customs dog so hard at an airport that it flew into the air. Let me explain. A 70-year-old man, Hamal Ramadan Bayoumi Ali from Egypt, pleaded guilty to kicking a customs dog with such force that it became airborne. Marie was traveling through U.S. Customs at Washington Dulles International Airport when officers stopped to inspect his luggage with the help of Freddie, a beagle trained to detect agricultural products. Freddie discovered over 100 pounds of food items that are illegal to bring into the U.S., including beef, eggplant, cucumbers, bell peppers, corn seeds, and herbs. After Freddie detected the contraband, Marie allegedly kicked the dog so hard that he was lifted off the ground, according to the complaint. Freddie was taken to a veterinarian, where he was found to have suffered contusions on his right rib area. On Wednesday, June 25th, Marie appeared in court and pleaded guilty to a charge of harming an animal working in law enforcement. He was sentenced to time served and ordered to pay for Freddie's veterinary bill, which records show totaled to $840. On Thursday afternoon, Marie was placed on a flight back to Egypt and removed from the US. Bringing agricultural products into foreign countries can be harmful, as it may introduce invasive pests or diseases, leading to serious environmental and agricultural economic impacts.